Who told that we can't add multiple layers in iMovie? You will have to learn few tips and tricks to get it done. iMovie is a free video editing tool from Apple. No one will be knowing this better than Apple users. iMovie can be used on iPhone, iPad or MacBook. It's easy to use iMovie and without any shadow of doubt we get a good quality after editing. But we face challenges whenever we have to add multiple layers. When we want to use green screen or PIP or picture in picture together, we are not able to do so. In today's video, we will see how to use green screen and PIP efficiently, and multiple layers can be added in a better way. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the folder in which I have kept certain things like extro or outro, intro, mid part is there. I have shot all my videos on green screen or chroma. Here is a background which is in JPEG format, and this is screen recording. So we will take all the files or import all the files in iMovie. I have imported all the things in my iMovie. First things first, so we will be going to background. Here we will select green one and double click over here. We will be going to my media and we will take our mid part. So this is our mid part. We will drop it over here. We will drag our background and we will resize it. Now we have to go over here and we have to select picture in picture. We will take it down. We will resize as per our requirement. Now we will save our video. File, I'll rename it PIP. I'll keep the resolution low so that our video gets saved fast. It's getting saved fast as the resolution is very low. Our PIP is saved. We will close this and we will import our PIP. Our PIP is imported over here. Now we will delete this. We will take our videos. This is a background what I want to put. So I'll take it down. This is my intro. I'll drop it over here. I'll minimize it and I'll drag my photograph. I'll click on my video and I'll do it green or blue screen. So this thing is done. One thing you must have noticed that whenever we are playing our video, our background is getting zoom in and zoom out. We will click on our background picture. We will go over here and we will do crop to fill. I'll take it a little bit down. Okay. Now we will take our screen recording. We will drop over here. Now we will go to our PIP and we will drag and drop it over here. We will go in green and blue screen. So our PIP is created over here very nicely. Now we will take this picture once again. We will paste it over here. We will go in our outro or extro and we will drop on top of this. We will drag our picture. Again we will be going to green or blue screen. So this thing is done. We will manage this. Crop to fill. We will take a little bit down. Okay. Now if we try to add multiple layers, we will see what happens to our video. I'll drop this over here and you see we are not able to add multiple layers. We will remove it from here and we will save our video once again by the name of raw file. Our file got saved. We will close this and we will come to our project. Now we will import our raw file over here and we will delete all this. Command A, delete. So this is the raw file which we have edited right now. We will take this over here. Now we have to add multiple layers. We will add one subscribe button. We will go to green or blue screen and this thing is added very properly. We will add one more layer over here. I'll take this thing. I'll increase the speed. I'll drag this. So this thing is done. We will play and we will see how it looks. So our multiple layers are working very properly in this way. If something is good and free, we can put this much of effort. Now we will save our file. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.